Every year, the heartbeat of Ijebu land echoes through colors, culture, and cavalry. This is not just a festival, this is Ojude Oba. A timeless tradition, a royal gathering, a living heritage. Welcome to the land where kings reign and culture breathes. Welcome to Ojude Oba 2025. My friends and I decided to go beyond the usual. We packed our bicycles and made a trip to Ijebu. Ojude Oba, meaning the King's Forecourt, is a post-Eid celebration that dates back over 100 years ago. What began as a Thanksgiving homage by the early Muslim converts has become a monumental spectacle, uniting faith, culture, royalty, and community. It happens 2 days after Eid el-Kabir, and if you've never seen it before, you are in for a cultural explosion. From every corner of the globe, the Ijebu sons and daughters return home. Royalty, dignitaries, celebrities, traders, and tourists. They gather, they glow, they give homage. The streets transform into runways. This isn't just fashion, this is legacy won proudly in ashoke, lace, embroidery, and gold. One of the most iconic moments, the parade of the Egbe, age grade groups that symbolize unity and continuity. Every group, a living archive of brotherhood and sisterhood. Then comes the thunder, the warriors on horseback, led by the descendants of Ijebu war heroes, the Baloguns, adorned in velvet, silver, and pride. They charge through the forecourt, announcing power and protection. It's not just a show, it's history galloping through time. At the heart of it all sits the Awujale of Ijebu land, His Royal Majesty Oba Sikiru Adetono, a king not just by crown, but by character. The Ojude Oba is his court, his stage, and his legacy. Ojude Oba is more than a festival. It's a call to community, a dance of diversity, a testament that tradition can thrive in modern times. Here, faith meets fashion, heritage meets hope, and strangers become family.
Ojuoba is something general that people love to come. Like now, me, I'm from Ijebu and I'm Regbe. So I know what it takes for people to come from every part of the world to experience, to enjoy themselves.
Ọmọ ọmọ yọ̀wẹ̀ olóhùn ṣe tiẹ̀ lọ. Ọmọ oníméjì ìdára mi ọmọ àgùn màtẹ̀ ẹ̀jọ̀ bá bó sí. Ọmọ yàtọ̀. Ọmọ àbọ̀rọ̀ fún púpọ̀ lómi lọ́mọ àpọ̀ máa yọ̀wẹ̀.
To witness Ojude Oba is to witness pride. To feel it is to belong. And now that you have seen it, tell the world, the soul of Ijebu is alive, and it dances in the king's courtyard. This is Ojude Oba, culture, majesty, forever. I hope this video brought value to you, and maybe even a smile. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next.